Nobody wakes up thinking, this is the day I'm gonna die. Nobody.
On Good Friday, April 15 at 8 p.m., PBCJ presents Just Another Friday, a film about family, tragedy, and transformation.
I come to tell you them say have a mind of your own. They make the man pull you like a puppet on a string. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there.
You're just stupid friends on a fast train to hell if you don't stop run the street like some gangster.
Let me talk to the 21st century youths them. To the kingdom I call me a recruit them. But the top everybody will try to use them. Abuse them, alright.
I've honestly changed, Leon.
Yes, Miss Bible Beater, that's all you know to do, condemn people. With all the crime and the violence taking place in this country, Jamaica, and the way people have to live, this is hell, the real hell.
That's Just Another Friday, this Friday, April 15 at 8 p.m., right here on PBCJ, the People's Station.